And it's another beautiful morning, and it is raining outside. So it's a perfect day to do up some peaches. A friend of mine gave me about 22 peaches, but some of them, they were just a little too squishy for me to do something with. And they were just on that verge that, nah, they can get composted. You give them to animals. I could put them in my worm bin. I could set them out for the birds, but not really for preserving. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to freeze them. I thought about dehydrating them, making some jelly or jam out of them, but I think I'm just going to freeze them so later on I can do some pies. We're still here for almost a month, and Joe will appreciate 2 peach pies during that time because he loves his pie. So the peaches go in for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Then I dump them in the bath and I'll start to peel them. Once they're peeled, they'll be in the strainer in case there's any extra water. So once they're in the bath, you can just take them and start peeling that skin off. And just keep an eye on your ones in the boiling water because only about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. If they would get stuck and it doesn't want to peel, put them back in the boiling water for just a little teeny bit. Now I'll cut off any bruises that I find. So I'm just going to cut these open. I don't know if they're freestone or not because they were a gift. Oh, they seem to be freestone. Freestone means that the seed inside will come out so much more easily. And I'm just going to slice these. And they'll go into freezer bags so that I can make, Joe, a pie or a cobbler, anything like that. There was 19 peaches that were good, and so I divided them into 2 bags. And so they are going in the freezer. So that is a simple, easy way to preserve your peaches. All of these pits I'm actually going to go plant in the garden, see if any of them come up in the spring. This time of the year, there's always a lot of fruit, and there's just so many things to do. Dehydrate them, preserve them, bake them right away. And with those peaches, I could have made cobbler. I could have done a lot of things. But we have a pumpkin pie in the refrigerator from last night. So I just decided to freeze them. If you have an overabundance of fruit or you have the opportunity to have some, look at all your options. And maybe you're going to make peach jam out of some of them, apple pie out of some. What are you going to do with your pears? Maybe some pear butter or pear jelly. Don't let anything go to waste. The skins, the peels, the seeds can go to animals if you have them. Chickens, pigs, geese, pheasants, a lot of different things. I have a worm farm. So these peels are going into the worm farm. They will so appreciate it. So use those days in the fall to the fullest. And I will see you next time. This is Sandy at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. And of course, I'll see you next time.